Good morning, guys, and welcome to Troya Beach here in Tenerife. This beach is located in Playa de las Americas on the southern coast of Tenerife. The beach is divided into two sections, Troya 1 and Troya 2, together spanning approximately 650 meters. I see here €6, probably this is the price for a sunbed, and a timetable. Yeah. This beach features dark golden sand as a result of the island volcanic origin. This unique composition can cause the sand to become quite hot under the sun, so appropriate footwear is recommended. One sunbed here it's €6. Is nothing for the umbrella. You are paying only for the sunbed. One €6, two €12. Lifeguards are present to ensure safety. In fact, Troy Beach is well equipped with amenities, including sunbeds, umbrella, showers and foot baths. The beach is accessible to all visitors, including those with mobility challenges, and the sun loungers are located quite far from the water. And this is the view over the hotels, over the sunbeds, from here, from the middle of the beach. Okay, let's go to the water now, which, as I already told you, it's quite far away. Visitors can engage in various water sports such as jet skiing, banana boat ride and pedal boating. Windsurfing school is also available for those interested in learning the sport. I see a lot of guys surfing right now. As you can see, the water level isn't that deep. But I see the waves coming in a lot inside the beach. I don't know how to say that. They are low level, but they go quite a long way. It's a beautiful morning again here in Tenerife. Not a cloud in the sky. Troya Beach has been awarded the Blue Flag, indicating high standards of water quality, safety and environmental management. The beach is bordered by a bustling promenade lined with shops, restaurants and bars, including the renowned Monkey Beach Club and Papagayo Beach Club, which offer vibrant nightlife experience. Overall, Troya Beach is a versatile destination catering to both relaxation seekers and adventures enthusiasts, making it a must-visit spot here in Tenerife. I hope you were able to make an idea of what Troya Beach means. Yeah, I will end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.